6 bodyweight exercises to eliminate back pain in just 30 minutes a day. No gym needed. Hey there, wellness wavers. We all know the back has 3 key regions: upper, middle, and lower, and each is vulnerable to different types of tension. After 30, muscle mass and flexibility naturally decline, while spinal discs lose hydration. But here's what most people don't realize. Weak, unused muscles in your core and back are one of the biggest causes of chronic back pain. Back pain affects millions around the world, but the real solution? It's not another massage gun or fancy gadget. It's simple science-backed bodyweight exercises. No gym, no equipment, and no fluff. So, if you're tired of living with pain and tightness in your lower spine, you just clicked on the right video. You gotta watch to the end because you don't want to miss the benefits, especially the psoas stretch coming up further on in the video. We're tackling this together, one move at a time. First on our list is the hamstring stretch. Tight hamstrings can ruin your posture, but they also pull directly on your lower back, making pain worse over time. A study published in the Spine Journal found that individuals with more flexible hamstrings reported significantly less chronic low back pain. That's because when the hamstrings are tight, they tug on the pelvis, which throws off spinal alignment. Stretching them regularly, especially with these bodyweight exercises, can help restore balance and reduce tension where it hurts most. All you will need is a mat to do this exercise. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Reach toward your toes, or just as far as you comfortably can, while keeping your spine long and chest open. No rounding your back here. You should feel the stretch in your hamstrings, calves, and even up into the lower spine. Want to get more out of it? Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and breathe deep into the stretch. Next, we have the forward fold. Now, if you are thinking, didn't I just stretch my hamstrings? Yes. However, combining both takes it even further. The forward fold isn't just about flexibility, it's about decompressing your spine and releasing tension throughout your entire posterior chain. From your calves and hamstrings all the way up to your lower back, it's a full-length reset for a tight, achy back. Forward folds are a holistic remedy for stress-related back pain, merging biomechanical benefits with neurological relaxation. By addressing both the physical and emotional contributors to discomfort, this pose offers a science-backed, accessible solution for adults seeking relief in a high-stress world. Not only does this stretch ease physical tension, but it also calms the nervous system, perfect for stress-related back pain. According to the Journal of Physical Therapy Science, forward folds can actually reduce spinal compression and significantly improve flexibility in adults over 30. Here's how to do it. Stand tall, hinge at your hips, not your waist, and let your upper body hang heavy toward the floor. A slight bend in your knees is totally fine. What matters most is keeping your spine long and relaxed. Breathe deeply and let gravity do the work. Moving on to downward facing dog. No yoga mat? No problem. A link to a highly recommended one is listed in the description. This version of the classic downward facing dog is one of the most effective bodyweight stretches for relieving back pain, especially if you're working with limited space or mobility. It targets multiple problem areas at once, including your hamstrings, calves, shoulders, and spine. According to a 2016 study in the Journal of Yoga and Physical Therapy, variations of this pose significantly reduced lower back discomfort after just 2 weeks of consistent use. It's simple, efficient, and backed by research. Begin in a tabletop position with your wrist aligned under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Spread your fingers wide apart while pressing into the mat. Tuck your toes under, then lift your knees off the ground. Push your hips up and back, forming a V shape with your body. Ensure your head is between your hands while engaging your core for support. You should feel a deep stretch along your back and legs. Not only does this stretch relieve tension, but it also boosts blood flow and can even ease headaches caused by tight upper back muscles. Stick with it daily, and your entire posterior chain will thank you. Next, we have the quadriceps stretch. Now you might be thinking, what do quads have to do with back pain? A lot more than you think. When your quadriceps are tight, they pull your pelvis forward into an anterior tilt. This shift puts extra pressure on your lumbar spine, which can lead to persistent lower back pain and poor posture. In fact, Misalignment from tight quads is one of the most overlooked contributors to back discomfort, especially for people who sit for long periods or skip lower body mobility work. To fix it, stand tall and grab one ankle behind you, gently pulling it toward your glutes. Keep your knees close together and engage your core to avoid overarching your back. This stretch targets your quads, hip flexors, and stabilizing muscles, all key players in maintaining pelvic alignment. Do this consistently, and you'll not only ease back tension, but also improve your balance and mobility, which take us to the next exercise. The spinal stretch, also known as the seated twist. If your spine feels like it's made of concrete, this one's for you. The seated spinal twist is perfect for unlocking stiffness in the thoracic spine, that mid-back area that often gets ignored but plays a huge role in overall spinal health. When this section is tight, it forces the lower back to overcompensate, leading to pain, reduced mobility, and poor posture. Encouraging movement here not only eases discomfort, but also improves your rotation and core stability. To do this exercise correctly, sit tall on the floor or on a chair. Cross one leg over the other, then twist gently toward your raised leg. Keep your spine upright and shoulders well relaxed. You should feel this through your oblique spinal erectors and even between your shoulder blades and the rhomboids. Bonus benefit. This move also supports digestion by stimulating the abdominal organs. Talk about multitasking. Keep breathing deeply as you hold the twist, and your spine will start thanking you almost immediately. Next is the psoas stretch. No need to worry if you've never heard of the psoas. But trust me, it's a game changer when it comes to back pain relief. This deep hip flexor muscle connects your spine to your legs, and when it's tight, it pulls your pelvis forward, throwing off your alignment and straining your lower back. A tight psoas is one of the sneakiest causes of chronic back discomfort, especially if you sit for hours each day. To stretch it properly, kneel on one leg and step the other foot forward into a lunge. Tuck your pelvis slightly under and gently press your hips forward without arching your lower back. You'll feel the stretch deep in the front of your hip. Focus on targeting the psoas major, iliacus, and quads, all major players in core and spinal stability. Pro tip, squeeze your glute on the back leg for a deeper, safer stretch and some bonus core engagement. Keep this one in your rotation. Your hips and spine will move more freely because of it. There you have it. 6 bodyweight exercises to finally relieve back pain and get moving pain-free again. Which stretch are you going to try? Comment below. We'd love to hear what worked for you. If you are serious about bettering your health, smash this next video here. Drop a comment on which exercise you think is the most challenging. Thank you for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you consider it helpful. If you're new here, welcome. Take the first step. Subscribe to our channel for more insights, and let's ride the waves to a healthier, happier you.